Oh, or the author, ready? The author, Robert Gray, wrote a realistic fiction, which took place in Alaska during a good run race. In the story, the main character, a lead sled dog, is running during the last race. In the story, one of the themes was perseverance. One way the author showed perseverance was when Akiak found a trail during a blizzard so she could catch up with her. All right, let's go to analysis. Hands on your hips, flat tire sound. We're going to point to this evidence and we're going to go give a flat tire. Ready, go. Point to it and say, what does that mean?
What does that mean?
How does that show perseverance?
How does that show perseverance?
Oh, so we have to analyze this evidence. We have to explain it. So, why does this show perseverance? Why is Akiak showing perseverance there? Tell the person next to you, go. Why is that showing she's not giving up? What's happening to her paw? How's it feel?